Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Njaksi Chabutu. So in today's video, I'm going to show you different things that you think is not possible. And one of the things I'm going to show you is how you can be able to use free AI voice over tool that sounds like a Nigerian. Doesn't matter if you're a Nigerian or you are from the US or UK or Canada, this also can sound in different accents the way you want it. So this is time for you to cancel your 11 last subscriptions or any other AI voiceover tool that you have been using. Also, if you have been hiring voiceover artists, now is the time for you to stop spending money and be able to use this particular tool for yourself. I'm going to teach you guys two things. So if you pay attention to the end of this particular video, you are not only learning how to be able to create voiceover voices that sounds like a Nigerian, you are also going to learn the hack and the simple way of writing faceless YouTube video scripts using AI. So if you can look at my screen now, we are going to get started. And the tool that you need for this is called Google AI Studio. So if you come over to your search, you can type aistudio.google.com. You log in from this particular place. So once you log into Google AI Studio, this is the interface you are going to see. This is what it looks like. You are going to see build AI apps, chat with model, monitor API usage, and the rest. If you scroll down, you are going to see what is new, and the rest you are going to see chat with VO3, and you are going to see Explainer Banana Pro, and which is the most important one that we need is turn text into audio with Gemini. This is what we need. So you click on this particular place now, and this is the interface you are going to see. So if you're not trying to create a podcast kind of audio, remove it from multi-speaker audio to single speaker audio.
Railroad, a mine train roller coaster rattling down the.
So you remove it from multiple speaker or multi-speaker to single speaker. So once you have done that, you scroll down to voice. Leave it at ZEP. This is the voice I normally use. On settings, I don't normally touch everything. The temperature is always on 1 and the rest. So once you have done that, this is now where the major magic is. On the instruction, look at the instructions here. So what are you going to do? You are going to erase everything that was sitting here, and you copy this particular prompt here and paste there. So you paste your prompt on this particular section. Then now you come over to this particular place and paste whatever script you have. So if you have an already written script, this is the best way, the best place that you need to paste your script and you run. But if you don't have an existing script, this is the best way that you can use AI to write a good script, mimicking the best performing content online, and be able to use it to translate to write your own YouTube script. It can be on African folktales, it can be on documentary style, it can be any kind of channel. So let's head over to YouTube. Let me show you guys how you can be able to do this with ease. So the first thing you need to do is to log into YouTube. I'm going to use this particular YouTube channel as an example. So it's Magnet Media. You come over to their channel, you click on videos. Look at it now. You click on popular videos to look for their best performing videos. You can also click on latest to see their latest video, which is 4 months ago, and see how they write. So it's either you go to popular or you go to latest. When it comes to popular, you have to look for the best performing content there. Look at it, it's 2 years ago, but because it's 2 years ago, I'm not going to use it. I'm going to use their latest video, which was the insane truth about open AI. So what do we do now? You click and open the video. So once you click and open the video, you scroll down a little bit now, you are going to see where the descriptions are. What do? You click on more. If you click on more, you scroll down and look for the transcript of this particular video.
Make you move with hosting a sale. For just 3,900 Naira a month, get managed.
You have an
So look at it now. I am going to come over to this particular place. It happens with any kind of video you want to use. So you click on show transcript. If you click there, this is going to show you the transcript of everything, how these particular people write their content from the first seconds to the end. Look at it. So what do? You copy this thing. You copy everything that is here. You copy it now and you take it to ChatGPT. So if you take it to ChatGPT, you text and you're going to use this simple prompt that I'm going to show you guys. So if you copy on ChatGPT, you text this simple prompt at the beginning before your script or before the transcript you got from the YouTube video. So I'm going to text and open a quote. It says, build me a reusable script outline based on the key emotional beats on the script below. So you paste the transcript here, you open a quote, you come down here and you close the quote. You submit your prompt. So this is going to look at how these people write and be able to build you a reusable beats based on the key emotional moments on this particular YouTube channel. It is going to show you how they write. Look at it. Look at how they write here. Look at how they write. So once you are done, it says if your script hits these beats in this order, it will feel cinematic regardless of the topic. So let me show you how to get a topic that you can use and use this particular reusable place to be able to write it. Before that, look at the core emotional arc: curiosity, awe, empathy, suspicious, hope, fear, irony, and unease. So if you come over to this particular script here, this particular video, using vidIQ, we can just get a topic on this particular nature. I'll click on remix now. This is what is going to show us. So this is what I'm going to see here. So I'm going to just copy any of this particular thing, come back to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT using the analysis above. Write me a 10 minutes YouTube video script based on this topic or title. Open a quote, you text, you close, you submit. So this will build you a reusable or a new content YouTube video script with it. So look at it now. Look at the script using the sample of what we gave to this particular AI. Look at it. So you're going to make sure that this is 10 minutes. Look at it. So what do you do now? You copy this out. You can take it to your Google Doc and remove other things that was included on this particular script. You remove them. Then we head back to our Google AI Studio and paste this particular script there. So what do we need to do now? You need to remove other ones that were not included from here. Look at some things like this now can be included, or you could just copy everything as it is here. Then you head over to the Google AI Studio and edit it from there. So let me just do that. So I'm going to paste it here. Then I'm going to start removing it here. Remember, it should be on single speaker, not multiple speakers. So this is what we have from here. Look at what we are going to remove. So in case you don't want it to sound Nigerian, maybe you're using it for documentary and you don't want to sound Nigerian, if your content base is not African folktales and the rest, please don't include where I said calm and friendly Nigerian woman's voice. You can change it to American voice, British. You can sound anyhow you want your voiceover to sound not Nigerian. But if you are writing African folktale stories, you don't understand that tools like Clipchamp and 11 Labs always find it very, very difficult to maintain that African voice or Nigerian voice. So this is how you can be able to use this particular tool to be able to get that original Nigerian voice for your voiceover. So once you have done all these things in this particular place now, the next thing you need to do is for you to run this particular script on this particular place. So you click on run. If you run it, this is going to follow the prompt, which is the instruction, and start creating your prompt for you. Most times if it comes out, it might not give you exactly what you want. So if it comes out and it didn't give you what you want, you have to rerun it. If you run it more than 2 times, it is going to give you exactly the result you need. So this is the best time for you to cancel your 11 Labs or Clipchamp or any other AI voiceover tools I've been using and be able to use this particular tool for your YouTube video creations. This is cheap, this is better, and it sounds more Nigerian. If you enjoy this particular video, please make sure you subscribe and share this particular video to your friends or any other person you feel that might need it, and turn on your notification bell because I'll be dropping the next video in the next 24 hours. Thanks for watching. See you on my next videos.